How to use ChatGPT on iPhone. Now let's jump straight into the process. Open any of the browser. Here I'm gonna open Google. Now search for ChatGPT. Now at the top you can see this link for opening ChatGPT. Just tap on it. Now scroll down, you can find this option of Try ChatGPT. Tap on it. Now tap on this option Login or Sign Up. If you have already created the account, you can easily log in. If not, then you have to sign up. As I have already created my account, I'm gonna log in. Here you have to put your email address to log in. Likewise, we have to enter your password and then tap on Continue. After you log in, this kind of page will appear. At the bottom, you can see this chat box. Over here, you can ask a question to ChatGPT. Here, I'm gonna ask, write a sorry letter for best friend. After you type in, you have to tap on this arrow. Within few seconds, ChatGPT will prepare a sorry letter for my best friend. And this way, you can easily use ChatGPT on iPhone. You can see that it is done. Also, you can just save it and send it. Likewise, if you don't like this one, then you can regenerate it by tapping on this icon. I hope now you guys are clear about how to use ChatGPT on iPhone. For logging out, you can tap on this icon, 3 bars, and then you can tap on Logout. At the end, if you find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.